right now we are heading to Birmingham to have fun. Alright, like and subscribe. We are now in Birmingham. It is there's this white car and this white building and it's nice right now we are going home. We are now leaving Birmingham. Enjoy this because we are now going home. All of these lights are beautiful at night, and yes, so enjoy. It is currently raining and there are cars on the motorway. We are now on the motorway heading home, and now we will not enjoy going home and just yes. And there is all of these towers and there are these roads that we are going through. We are probably right now on a bridge. So yeah, enjoy.